Hey guys, this is Great Stephanus with KanevaTutorials, and today I will be showing you how to use the treasure hunt template to create a scavenger hunt-esque game in Kaneva without doing any scripting. If you have completed the 3D app install tutorial, you should be looking at a screen similar to what I see right now. So let's go ahead and click Let's Go and just sort of dive into this template. So the first thing that the template does when you hit Let's Go is it drops you into your own instance of the treasure hunt template. The point of the treasure hunt template is to design a scavenger hunt-esque game where you hide a bunch of objects and users walk around and try to find said objects. So you can imagine that hiding a bunch of objects in a blank empty zone like this would not be very challenging. So you can import one of your own communities or even your home into this game, and that can become the landscape on which you hide objects and build your game. You don't have to do this step. If you want to, you could just build from scratch, but I'm going to be lazy. So to import a zone, you're going to go up to your developer toolbar and click the Zones button. This will bring up all the zones in your 3D app. With the lobby highlighted, click Import Zone. This will bring up all of your communities that you own as well as your home. I'm going to use my home as sort of the zone that I'll build my game on top of. And so with the Keep All Objects with Scripts checkbox checked, click OK to import your zone into your treasure hunt template. And there you go. Here's my house. So now that you've either built out your own zone or imported one of your zones, it is time to start placing objects throughout the zone for other players to come and find. And to do that, we'll be using the Template Tools menu up here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click Select Item to pick an item from your inventory to hide throughout the zone. So click Select Item, it'll pull up every item you own, and I'm just going to pick a contemporary TV. You see it there now. So what you can do is you can run and find wherever you want to hide your selected object. I'll be hiding my TV, sure, down in this hole. You click Place Item in your Template Tools menu, and it'll spawn one of those objects where you were standing. If you don't like how that object is positioned, you can just go into Build Mode and right-click that object and move it around to wherever you want it to. And it will still be part of your game logic. Treasure Hunt template makes a distinction between objects you have placed using the Template Tools menu and items you have placed using Build Mode. So if I were to go into Build Mode and drop something from my inventory, like this lamp, it would not be counted in the game logic, and you know that by seeing it not represented up here. I have O of 1, not O of 2. So continue to select more items and place them around your zone. If you want to remove one of these objects from the game, all you have to do is right-click the object to bring up the right-click menu and just click Pick Up Object, and that object will be removed from the game logic. Or you can click the Reset All button in the Template Tools menu. It'll give you a prompt asking if you're sure. If you are, hit yes, and all the objects in your game will be removed. And then you have a clean slate to work with. When you're all done hiding all your objects in your zone and you're ready to test how the game would feel to an outsider, all you have to do is click the Playtest button up in the Template Tools menu, click Let's Go, and you will spawn into the game as if you were a user. You get a welcome menu, you have a menu up in the top left telling you what objects are hidden throughout the zone. This Template Tools menu, however, will not be shown to visitors. So just keep in mind that this is only for you. I have locked them in place so they can't move around, but they can still look around. They click Play Now, the timer starts to spin, they get some badges, and they run around and find the objects that you have hidden, and they pick them up by clicking them. So I'm looking for a tall floor cabinet, there it is. One more object, the contemporary TV. There you go. They win, they earn some experience, they level up. I give them a win screen and I tell them what their bonus experience earned was. Bonus experience being calculated by how many items they picked up per second. So if you pick up items faster, you get a bigger bonus. You can click play again to play the game one more time, or you can exit playtest mode. If any part of this template or this tutorial are confusing, or if you have different looking menus, it's quite possible that you have a newer version of the treasure hunt template, and you can always get information on how the new versions of the template will work by clicking the help button in the template tools menu. That'll open up the treasure hunt template help wiki, which I will keep updated, and it explains all of the new features. It recaps everything that I just said: how to import zones, place objects, playtest, known issues, how to play it. It's pretty nice and can help you if this tutorial is out of date. Also, don't forget that myself, Great Saphinus, Vanilla Smoothie, and Alligator will be inside of the 3D App Creator Central every weekday from 10 to 11 and from 3 to 4 if you have any questions about the template, or if you want to put your own twist on this game, just stop by and ask us and we'll help you accomplish what you're trying to do. This has been Great Saphinus from KanevaTutorials. Y'all have a good one.